Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi, you guys. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
It's day 74 of the Quarantine Gardeners. That's Sean and I.
That's us.
If this is your first time here, welcome, and we're so happy you found us. And if you've been with us for a while, thank you for subscribing. We really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and hit that bell right next to it, and you'll get notified when we post our latest videos.
So guys, today's Friday, and that means it's Plant Chat Day.
Yay,
and
Plant Chat.
yay! So today we wanted to tell you all about petunias.
Yeah.
We've got a couple different petunias for you to look at.
Well, what's fun is we haven't highlighted an annual yet. We've been showing you a lot of perennials around our yard, so we thought this would be a really fun opportunity to show off some beautiful petunias we just bought.
Yep, they're very popular plants. A lot of people plant them this time of year, and they just explode. They're so colorful and vibrant, and they add a lot to your garden.
They really do. So here are some of our new petunias, and we went with kind of a whitish flower with like a really beautiful kind of magenta center, if you can see that. And also this gorgeous kind of magenta, a little bit of burgundy. And we thought, wow, those are gonna look striking together. These are Supertunias, which are a brand from Proven Winners, and this specific variety is called Silverberry. They are gorgeous, as we already said, but they're very vigorous. These guys will bloom all summer as long as we keep them deadheaded, keep them well watered, and we're gonna tell you a little more about that.
These are actually Sweet Tunias, Johnny Flame, and these are those burgundy ones we were talking about. You can see this is more of a growing up type of form, growing up and out type of form of petunia than, compared to these Supertunias that grow out and spread. So on this guy, it's only going to get about 12 inches, maybe 24 inches tall, and spread out about the same. And they'll need regular watering and regular fertilizing too. And that's the same for these Supertunias. So something to keep in mind if you want these, you're going to have to water them on a regular basis, make sure they don't dry out. And looking at these, they do need a little bit of water. They're getting a little dry, so we'll water them pretty soon. That's what these Proven Winners Supertunias are. They're mounders and spreaders themselves, and they get really big. Now, the regular petunias that we have here, these more burgundy looking ones, they're similar to the Super Petunias because they will bloom also all summer, and they take the same amount of water, which is regular watering, as Supertunias do. They just have a different growth habit. Guys, these will both take and like part to full sun, and they like well-draining, average type of soil. So that can be soil with organic matter and a little bit of sand, silt, and clay, kind of more of a topsoil type of soil, and that's perfectly fine.
What I love about petunias is they attract hummingbirds and butterflies, and that is just amazing. We love attracting pollinators. Actually, with the Supertunias, this brand, you don't actually even have to deadhead them. I probably will, because as you can see, there's one wilted flower right here. So if you do want to deadhead these to encourage more blooming, which again, you really don't have to do with Proven Winners Supertunias, but all you do is just pinch this off right behind these sepals, these green leaves. Here's another one. So I'm going to come in right behind these sepals, these green leaves, and just pinch it off.
I also mentioned that these Supertunias don't need to be deadheaded if you don't want to. The same goes for the other petunias. They really don't need to be deadheaded. They will look more tidy. They will look healthier if you do deadhead them, and some gardeners like to do that to keep everything tidy in their garden, but you don't have to. Most of your petunias out there, you don't have to deadhead.
And that's why they're a great plant for beginning gardeners, because they are so low maintenance.
So guys, here's, just like Allison showed you, here's a spent flower. We're just gonna get ahead of it here, and we're just gonna do this. See me pinching it? There you go, just pinched it right off with my nail, donezo. So guys, the Supertunias, for their size, they're gonna grow up about 12 to 24 inches high, because they like to mount. And then they're gonna grow out about maybe 24 to 36 inches, 2 to 3 feet out. So they can really spread and grow vigorously.
We're thinking about where we want to plant these, because any type of petunia, especially these Supertunias, they make great landscape plants, which means you can put them right in the ground. But they're great for containers. Originally, we thought these would be beautiful planted together, and we were kind of looking at this blue container that we haven't used yet. You can see the other one behind it. But you know what, guys? I think this is going to be too crowded. So Sean and I are rethinking this plan, and either maybe just have one of these in here, and again, they will get very large, or find a completely different container that's larger in size.
Kind of like this setup with the one in each of these pots. Unfortunately, unfortunately it's not what we planned on, but this will be beautiful in itself.
One thing we love about petunias in general is they come in so many different colors. You can really mix and match and try different things out every season. I feel like every year we usually try different color combinations together.
Yep, we do. It's fun.
It is fun.
And make sure to try them out yourself and see what fits your gardening style.
So we look forward to getting these planted. We're going to be doing that soon. Some of these will go in the ground and some of these will go in containers. I think that's our plan, right?
I think so. So guys, leave your comments and questions down below for us so we can get right back to you. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button and let us know we're doing a good job. And then also subscribe so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap for today's Friday Plant Chat. We hope you enjoyed that and thank you for watching. We'll be back tomorrow with another new project on day 75.
Yep, until then, stay safe and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye everybody.
Bye-bye.